Let me shift it to low range. Low range engaged. All this works. Oh, we need a little more traction. Let's lock the front differential. Front differential locked. Still not enough traction. Let's lock the back differentials. Rear differential's locked. This is fully locked climb, y'all. Look at that. Power and speed. Looks like we're gonna need high range, more speed and power. High range gear is engaged. Crash and burn. So that was the easy line. Here's the hard line. So start off with this locked. It's unlocked with a turn. There it goes. This unlocked for the Austin Powers turn. This locked for the climb up. Look at how turning it is. I got him on your recording.
Get the car. Go get it. I wasn't ready. Hi, Diesel. What are you doing in the car? What are you doing, Goof?
We got him. Climbing test for you, 52 degrees, all the diffs unlocked, low range. Goes up it pretty easily, but you can see that it is breaking traction a little bit and starting to lift that wheel. One wheel's off the ground. You get some torque flex, but not as much because of the portals. That's a huge help. There's a gear reduction in each wheel. So I'll let it come back down. I've been pretty impressed with the wheel speed modulation with this brush motor. I don't think I'm ever gonna go to brushless on this thing. So we'll see if we can go back up. Yeah, we can definitely do it. So now I'm gonna go up to so that's about the max. See, it is starting to spin there, it is lifting that wheel. But when you lock the diffs, that's not really much of an issue because all the wheels are pulling. So I'm gonna lock the front diff. Front diff is locked, and you'll see that it just goes right up it now with the front diff locked. No problem. This is a fully locked test. This is at 60 degrees and let it roll back some. This thing can climb 60 freaking degrees. Driver's front tire's a little bit in the air, not that big of a deal. Still goes right up it. It's starting to break traction a little bit. The funniest thing is this right here though. Watch what happens when it goes off the edge. Will it keep climbing? Yes, it will. Holy smokes. It is pulling a wheelie. Can it make it to the top? Oh, get closer. Shoot the tires. Back tires, there you go.
Jesus.